Karnataka Congress President and Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar expressed confidence in his party's strength and popular support during the Jan Andolan Yatra. He dismissed allegations against the Congress government as motivated by jealousy from the second-term CM and accused the central government of attempting to destabilize them due to the popularity of their 5 Guarantees initiative. He saw opposition from BJP and JDS as an opportunity for Congress to strengthen its position and fight back against their rivals.
Definitely stand by us.
I think you didn't expect.
Who said I did not? Who said I did not expect? I expected. I know my strength. I know my strength. I know my party strength. I know the image of the government. People will definitely stand by us. They know the fact. That is why they are supporting us.
The kind of allegations which BJP throughout the Padayatra they're making, what do you want to say, sir? They're clearly saying this government should collapse and CM should resign.
See, he is the second chief minister with the biggest state. There is no medicine to jealousy. He is a backward class man. We have given 5 guarantees. Our guarantees have been discussed all over the country, and many BJP states also are looking forward to do that. Today I could see a court verdict on Maharashtra. Like that, even Madhya Pradesh also, they took that risk, BJP takes. So I think the central government is worried that if this trend goes on, we will have to give to the entire country. So they want to destabilize this government and the party. I think now they are trying to create some confusion. There is no issue. They want to make it an issue. I wish them all the best.
How do you see this whole Padayatra of BJP and JDS together?
They are giving an opportunity to unite our party, to fight, make our workers to be strong and fight against them.
But these allegations by Kumaraswamy, sir, how you see those allegations? Mr. D.K. Shivakumar made properties in the name of and the hooliganism and all these things.
He's a blackmailer, basically blackmailer. See, he tried to blackmail BJP. That he said that don't do Padayatra. Who asked him to tell that? Day before he said no Padayatra. He tried to blackmail them.
He also said we will not support, but later he said we'll walk together.
He is basically a big blackmailer.
Allegation which he is making on you, sir, how you see those allegations?
I welcome him. Let me reply to him.
I think you didn't expect.
Who said I did not?